Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have a Microsoft Force Feedback 2 joystick. I've been doing a bit of work on this. The main thing wrong with it was it had a faulty USB cable, and I've actually replaced the USB cable. So that's happened in there, and I've also changed the power. So the power now comes through this wire out there to this socket, and then it's plugged in to this power supply, 12 volt power supply, and there's an inline switch. Now the power supply that was originally in this was this one. This one doesn't work anymore. Don't really know what the problem is, but this seemed a better solution, as you can now use an external power supply. What I want to do today is take the handle apart again, because I think there's just need to check a few things inside there. There's 3 screws on the handle at the top here, one in the middle, one right at the top. I can't get the screwdriver into that one. Oh, it's can. And there's 2 right down here as well. It's a bit difficult to get into. Oh, here we go. There's lots of switches and bits and pieces in here, so I've got to be careful how I take it off. Right, that's it. So there you can see in here, oops, yeah, there's always some that falls off it. You can see in here all the things. So we've got a switch, joystick up there, there's a switch button there. There's one there for the trigger that just fell out, and that there, if I zoom in on that, that is a sensor. So when you put your hand on it, it senses your fingers there and the one down there, which means it activates the vibration and the force feedback. So I found a bit of a problem here, and you can see these 2 wires have got caught at some point, and there's exposed wires. So I was getting a bit of a problem with 2 of the buttons registering at the same time, so I think this is the culprit here. So what I'm going to do is cut these wires back and put a bit of heat shrink on it. So we're just going to snip it there and there. Trimmers, bit back on there. Some solder. There's solder on each of the wires. So just need to get a bit of heat shrink. We'll go over that. piece off. Swing on. Two wires together the best we can. Bit fiddly this. Right, get it there I think. Swing over. That one. Now we'll do this orange one. Right, so that's all that done. Right,